21 years ago, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. And at 30 years old, that was a real wake-up call. I was already doing a lot of the things you're supposed to do. I was eating fruits and vegetables, I exercised, I got plenty of sleep. And I realized at that point that if I was already doing a lot of the things that traditional health experts said you should do if you wanted to be well, it would behoove me to actually investigate other things. And so that shifted me from a traditional view of medicine into exploring a lot of alternatives. I began going to acupuncture, began practicing yoga. I've gotten into meditation and mindful awareness practices, all because at that time there was beginning research indicating that these things would help optimize our health. And what I've learned in the 15, 20 years I've been practicing these things for myself is that God created us with a great wisdom in our bodies, that there are signals that alert us to when we're not well, and our feelings about our experience can tell us a lot about how to be well. So when we're feeling really tired, it's a signal we need to sleep. Sometimes when we're feeling really tired, it might be a signal that we actually need to get up and walk and do some movement. And the most important thing you and I can do for our own health is learn to listen to our own bodies and become our own experts about what works for me. If that's something that's interesting to you and that you'd like to explore, I'd love to support you in that journey. You can contact me about individual health coaching sessions. I also do workshops and retreats, and you can find out about those on my website. In February, I'm offering a self-care for helping professionals workshop. So if you're in medical profession, a ministry profession, or in mental health, that will help you identify the signs of burnout, vicarious trauma, and compassion fatigue, and actually help you start creating a self-care plan that will carry you through all the difficulties and the demands of those professions. So I look forward to hopefully seeing you at a workshop or perhaps hearing from you. You can also check out my blog for some ideas on self-care and a lot of different pieces I've written. So thanks for visiting, and I look forward to seeing you and supporting you in your health.